Topic 1. States of matter. There are 3 states of matter. Namely, solids, liquids and gases. Solids. Solids have a fixed volume and shape and they have a high density. The atoms vibrate in position but can't change location. The particles are packed very closely together in a fixed and regular pattern. Liquids. Liquids also have a fixed volume but adopt the shape of the container. They are generally less dense than solids, an exception is water, but much denser than gases. The particles move and slide past each other, which is why liquids adopt the shape of the container and also why they are able to flow freely. Gases. Gases do not have a fixed volume and, like liquids, take up the shape of the container. Gases have a very low density. Since there is a lot of space between the particles, gases can be compressed into a much smaller volume. The particles are far apart and move randomly and quickly, around 500 meters per second, in all directions. They collide with each other and with the sides of the container. This is how pressure is created inside a can of gas. Thank you for your time. Please subscribe to this channel for more updates and learning skills.